Are you considering upgrading to the premium version of Limit Login Attempts Reloaded? Great! In this short video, we'll explore the key features and explain why your website will benefit from enhanced security measures, effectively safeguarding it against unauthorized access. Brute force attacks are among the most prevalent cyber threats faced by WordPress websites. The repercussions of a successful brute force attack can be devastating, potentially crippling a business and incurring substantial loss for repairs and recovery. Therefore, we highly recommend upgrading to the premium version to benefit from the best protection against such attacks. To start with, you'll be shielded by our powerful login firewall, which utilizes real-time IP data gathered from previous attacks. Before an IP address attempts to log in, it's cross-referenced with the active list and denied access if necessary. Depending on your subscription plan, you'll also gain access to a comprehensive database of real-time IP data from thousands of websites within our network. This empowers your website with the intelligence to detect incoming attacks and swiftly neutralize any malicious activity. Next, your website will no longer bear the burden of heavy loads caused by brute force attacks. In numerous instances, severe brute force attacks can result in degraded performance and increased latency for your website. Furthermore, your website provider might require you to purchase additional resources to handle the influx of requests, or, in the worst-case scenario, terminate your account if the issue persists. Begin your 7-day trial today at limitLoginAttempts.com and regain your focus on what truly matters: growing your business.